If you think cleaning your aircraft seats is optional, wait until you see the invoice. All right, everybody, this is a seat out of a Cessna 310, and I bet this thing hasn't been properly cleaned in years. From 5 feet away, it doesn't look terrible, but up close, embedded dirt, body oils, drying from UV exposure, and this is where leather starts to fail. Why does this matter? It's cost, basically. Let me put this into perspective. To recover seats on a Cessna 310, you're looking roughly about $4,000. And you're dealing with a high-end aircraft, say a Gulfstream G650, replacing one leather seat can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 a seat. Interior neglect gets expensive fast. This isn't cosmetic, it's preservation. First things we have to do before we touch it is assess it. Coated or unfinished leather. Surface contamination versus dye transfer. Is it dry? Is it cracking? In aviation, you don't guess, you evaluate. Dry extraction comes first. Always remove dry debris first. If you introduce liquid before removing grit, you're basically turning the dirt into sandpaper. This step alone prevents unnecessary wear. At JetGlow, we use aviation-safe, pH-balanced leather cleaners. Product is applied, light agitation, let the chemistry do the work. That's years of body oils and contamination coming off. Next step, controlled cleaning, if needed. If the leather needs more correction, we step it up carefully. But here's the key, controlled agitation. Aggressive scrubbing removes the protective coating. Once the coating is compromised, deterioration accelerates. This is where most people ruin aircraft interiors. Next step, conditioning and restoration. Now here's the part most people skip. Leather must be rehydrated. Apply a conditioner evenly. We apply aviation-safe leather conditioner, allow a dwell time, and lightly buff to restore the natural OEM finish. Notice it's not greasy, it's not glossy, just healthy leather. Now, leather doesn't crack from age, it cracks from neglect. UV exposure, dry cabin air, body oils, all slowly breaking it down. If you wait until the cracking happens, it's already too late. This Cessna 310 seat went from neglected to protected. If you own an aircraft, interior care isn't optional. It's protecting a multi-thousand, sometimes multi-million-dollar investment. I'm Chris with JetGlow Aviation. Every flight deserves a JetGlow.